Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very popular feature of Facebook, that is how to go live on Facebook. Well, straight away let us go and see in the app. Well, as you can see, I have opened my Facebook in this phone. Here what you can see, there is something called write something here. As you can see here, in each and every Facebook app, when you want to post something, you have to go or you have to click to this option. Click this option. So once you press here, write something here, you can see there is something called create post. So in this thing, instead of writing anything, just scroll down. You can see a lot of things coming here like tag friends, filling activity. Here you can go, there is something called live video. So once you click here, live video, I'm clicking. It'll ask you to allow Facebook to record audio. I'll press allow. It will also ask to allow Facebook video, but I've done it just a while before, so it's not no more asking. But when you go for the first time, it will ask for all these things. So for Facebook Live, for example, here there are some features. I will tell you some features that are very much visible once you open the app. So here you can see there is the camera settings. You can change this for front camera or back camera. I will do it in front camera because at the back there is a floor here. So here you can see tap to add a description. For example, test video. You can write something called night out. If you're at some places where you're visiting place, then you can write that place name as well. Test video. For example, I am writing this done. So once I do that, you can see instead of going directly live, you can play around these options or filters that are available here, like live video, bring a friend, raise money, mystery mask, all this thing. I'll go for live video. I'll just press once more here. Here you can see a lot of things would be coming here. If I show my face, you can see, let's see, what is this? Something will happen. Yeah, my face is getting red. So this kind of beautification or some kind of filtration is going on in my picture here. Let me see something else. Yeah, my eye is getting some dark art. Here you can see the third one, something like sunset. So you can explore and look. This is okay. A lot of things over here, funny things. You can explore by yourself individually. You can go here. There is something called flash on. If you when I'm pressing this flash, it is automatically getting brightened up. I'll put it in off. Okay, fine. So this is what the features are available. If you go here, there's something like a timer kind of thing. This is some kind of mask. You can see over here. I've already shown you. It will automatically catch up your face and apply those masks. So this is also some kind of like fancy features. You can okay. You can explore yourself all these things. You can see here, and you can manually edit also, I think. Fine. So this is how you can play with all the filters while doing Facebook Live. So I'll go here. You can see here there's something called friends post. While starting the live video, you can create you can select to whom you want to post, either to friends or to public or friends of tagged, people tagged, etc, etc, friend accept. You can create a restriction list as well. So this is how you can select with whom you want to share this live video here. And you can also tag your friends over here in this option. Select your location. You can add your location. Fine. And you can also use some emojis here, feeling happy, grateful, thankful. Okay, so what you can do here, like after setting all this live Facebook Live settings, you can press the start live video. So once you do that, you will go live. And before you go live, I just want to say, if your followers want to communicate with you, they can do this by commenting here. You can see the live comments flowing over here, also the likes and other emojis as well. So it's a two-way communication here in live video. It increases that personal touch that you want to give to that connection that you want to give followers through this live video. So friends, I'll start my live video. Let me see. Once I start, starting live video. You can see the timer over here also, like 0102. It is telling you the timing of the video, and after the video starts you can still change your filters and all these things, your comments, you can edit. Yeah, you can description of a live video, you can edit this by clicking here. This is the flash thing I just wanted to show you. You can see you can still work out with your filters after even you have started the live video. You can go here and see, yeah, my video is still live, but still I'm able to use these filters over here. You can click here, do what you want. This is how you do a live video here in Facebook. The last thing will be to finish your live video. So when you want to finish your session of live video, just click here, finish. So once I do that, it'll show ending live video. So your live video has ended, friends. Nice, you went up to 1 minute 40 seconds. Post your video so people can watch it back. So friends, after finishing your live video, it will ask you to post this live video as well, so that later in your timeline people can see your live videos as well. It is running behind. This is my live video, as you can see. So I will save it. Once I save it, I can share this live video as well. So once I do that, you will come back to your Facebook original page. So friend, this is how you create or you do a live video session on Facebook. You can use it for various purpose, to have a one-to-one communication with your followers, to promote your brand, to get that organic connection with your fan following or followers. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video about Facebook, going Facebook live. If you found this video useful, please do like it. Please do share this video across various platforms so that many people would be benefited by knowing this live feature of Facebook. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Infotainment, for getting more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So friends, till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.